Yeah, if I said I had it all together, I'd be lying. Yeah, but I'll die trying. I'm doing my best. I'm letting the rest roll off my shoulders, baby. Don't always get it right. Hey, and that's alright. That's what I'm learning lately. I keep growing up, I keep rolling up my sleeves, and I think that showing up is good enough for me. I lift my head till the sun's up. Even I can't admit that it's tough. You're pushing for perfect your whole life, and it didn't work out, but damn it, I tried.